Welcome to the Northern Virginia Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Northern Virginia housing market, which includes these areas. In December, all eyes were on Washington, D.C., gauging the likelihood of an agreement between Congress and the White House to avoid the fiscal cliff. With a partial deal on taxes completed, there are still important unresolved issues, resolving sequestration and raising the debt limit. Partisanship surrounding these issues will produce lingering uncertainty for the next 2.5 months. Despite the political wrangling, in December the national economy continued its steady pace of economic growth. The U.S. added another 155,000 jobs. Over the 12-month period from December 2011 to December 2012, the national economy grew by 1.8 million jobs, with growth broadly across the private sector. And the unemployment rate held steady at 7.8%. The year ended on an up note for the U.S. housing market, and conditions continue to improve. Most experts believe 2013 will be a good year for sellers. Inventories are still low, prices are rising, and underwriting guidelines for new mortgages are becoming more uniform. But the lack of uncertainty on fiscal issues will continue to rein in the potential for a more robust recovery, and will likely result in continued slow, though steady, economic growth nationally. Job growth in Northern Virginia continues to be relatively strong despite losses in the federal sector and slower growth among federal contractors. The local economy has added nearly 19,000 workers over the last 12 months. The unemployment rate in Northern Virginia is 3.9%, down from 4% in November, and this remains one of the lowest regional unemployment rates in the nation. There were 2,289 sales in the Northern Virginia housing market in December, 5.4% higher than this time last year, and the 11th monthly increase in 2012. The consistency of year-over-year sales growth signals rising demand. There were 2,066 new pending contracts in December, down just 1% from this time last year. The most striking aspect of the 2012 market has been the diminishing supply of homes for sale. Active listings continue to plunge and have fallen to their lowest level since March 2005. There were 4,364 active listings at the end of December, 28% below this time last year. New listings are also falling relative to last year, down 9% from December 2011, the 8th monthly decline in 2012. At $385,000, the median sales price is up almost 11% from December 2011, the sharpest gain this year. The low supply of active listings is not only putting upward pressure on the median price, but also influencing the days on market. At 28 days, the median days on market is down 14 days from December 2011. As we continue through the winter months, it's unlikely that a dramatic surge of new listings will enter the market. This should keep upward pressure on prices as long as buyers remain active. However, the scarcity of inventory and the lingering fiscal uncertainty at the national level will continue to influence buyers and sellers and could create drag on the spring market. That's the Northern Virginia Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.